What is going on, you guys? Mason back here with another video. Hope you guys had a good Memorial weekend. It is beautiful out. It went from being decently warm to cold to extremely warm, and this weekend's supposed to be 90 degrees. So to go from 50s, 60s up to 90 in a matter of a week is a big change. But anyway, it's a beautiful day out. I'm super pumped to ride the 675R. It's nice to actually ride in something comfortable, so this is gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna go check out Coeur Lake, see if I can't hit the road off of Sherman, and yeah, enjoy. Check out this dude. Sweet Ducati monster. That thing is sick. I want to see if you'll be my friend. Man, I finally figured out the rattle on my helmet. I got the Climb Creos, and this helmet, it's designed to be super light. It's like one of the most lightweight adventure helmets on the market. 100% carbon fiber. Super nice, super awesome. I love it. But I always decide when it comes to speeds up on the freeway, because it is meant for more of an off-road setup. But I like it. But the thing is the way they kept weight off of this helmet is by making things super thin. So you got like my face shield is pretty thin, and for a long time, I've had this helmet for 3 years, and it would always seal up nice and tight. In the last year, it's been messed up. It hasn't been sealing right. And I changed the mask out from the clear to the tinted dark sometimes, and I couldn't get it to stop rattling, and it wouldn't seal, and so it's super frustrating. Finally, I just adjusted it a little bit. Let's see what this dude's doing. I don't know where he's going. 796. Woo! Man, this thing straight gets it. Doesn't look like he wants to ride. Oh well. Ducati. You know, that's one of them bikes. I just don't know if I'll ever own a Ducati. You know, they're kind of cool. I like them. But I don't know, they're just kind of spendy. I don't know the reliability of them and stuff. I know Triumphs are solid bikes. I've had no problem with any of mine, and you just don't really hear anything bad about Triumph, other than that they don't make their electronics light up at night. I do think that is being changed, so. Oh, here we go. We got another biker. Oh, this is a real bike. Yeah, he won't want to ride with me. I'm not a real bike. Let's see. I don't know why I took this detour. I was hoping maybe he wanted to ride with me, but oh man, dang it. But yeah, I don't know about Ducati. I think I'm going to stick with Triumph for now. I like a lot of other brands. I've had other brands and stuff, bikes, but I just think Triumphs are just good looking bikes, and so I'm just going to stick with them. I'm happy with them, and I also like the dealership, so I can't complain. But dang, man, I'm not hitting any of these lights today. But man, it's so nice having my face shield snap down and be solid instead of letting air in. It was so annoying hearing the rattles of this, and I was just super disappointed for a bit, you know, like, yeah, I think it's because the shield's kind of getting worn out, but at least I was able to fix it by just barely adjusting the keepers. So I'm not gonna complain, but man, every time I would turn my head or whatever, the wind would catch it and it would just rattle like crazy, and then it would also just rattle when the wind was hitting it, and it was so much noisier in here. So I'm hoping the audio's a little better. The audio wasn't bad with the other way, but this will just make it better. It's just nice to know that my helmet's secured again and it's just not shaking like it used to be. Tons of bicycles on this road. This is a huge popular road for bicycles. And a pothole, whoa. Man, it's pretty out there. Coeur d'Alene Lake. The seating of the street triple in the naked style that it's at, it sits you up at a good position. It's that aggressive, but it's still upright, and man, it's nice. Please do not get on the freeway. Do not get on the freeway. Don't get on it. Yeah, okay. It's still noisy. This is definitely a noisier helmet, that's for sure. But man, is it so much quieter than what it used to be. I wish I would have fixed this. I just went up to Priest Lake, which is an hour-and-a-half ride, and I listened to the rattling of the face shield the entire time. And so it's like, I figured it out after I got back because I was so frustrated. I was like, I gotta figure this out. This is way too nice of a helmet for it to just act like to just act so junky, you know? So glad it's figured out. There's Lake Coeur d'Alene. Pretty good sized lake. And it is very crowded with boats all the time. Oh, they've been working on this for a while. At least a year. Hopefully this transition's smooth. Oh, that ain't bad. This road looks pretty busy, but it's a pretty fun road to go on. I haven't been on this road in a while though, so don't want to go too hard. Not sure how well maintained this road is. Do probably need to pull over and check my GoPro battery. I've been riding for a while. That's a sketchy spot. I'm not pulling over there. Woo! Wow, it got cool right when I got into that shade. I need to find a spot. And potholes. See, that's why this road is fun. This would be a fun road if they kept up on everything, but there's just too many potholes and stuff already. I haven't even been on it for very long, and there's just a lot of messed up parts on this road. But here's a good spot. Oh, there's a lot Lots of rocks. Oh crap. Since you get some good views of the lake. That's what we're all about, exploring the Pacific Northwest. Man, it's pretty out there. That's sweet, wake surfing. I did that one time. I stood up for like 10 seconds, then I ate it. That's something I want to do again though. I know this bridge has a bump right here somewhere I gotta be careful of. It's a pretty good sized bump. Yep. Hey, hey! That's a 07. I so badly want to just pass this car, but you know what? It's stupid. It'd be stupid too. Roads are too narrow. There's not enough time, and this guy's gonna get over anyway. Thank you. That tight corner going uphill. Holy crap. See how she pulls going straight up. Man, she pulls good. This isn't the end of the turns on this. You can keep going up, but I think I need to get going back the other direction. But man, this is another one of those roads. Pretty much anywhere up in North Idaho is total sketch when it comes to deer, any sort of critter on the road. They're just anywhere. Just sketchy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn around. What was that? I heard a weird noise when I was slowing down. It sounded like I had like a tumbleweed stuck somewhere. You know, it does suck where you get, pretty much you get winter for 6 months out of the year, so if you ride, that's kind of a bummer deal. But, you know, and it takes a little bit for summer to show up. Spring's total hit and miss. But this place is so gorgeous. And when it is time to ride and stuff, it's just perfect weather. Just perfect. Potholes? Oh, this bike is just so effortless. So much fun. Man, she sounds good too. It's weird going downhill the entire time. I gotta get some grippies on this tank so my leg stops slipping. Oh, that's a big one. Big pothole. I need to be aware of this road like crazy. It's too bad this road's tons of potholes because it's a pretty clean road. There's not much dirt on it. It's just the patches and stuff aren't done very well. And they get torn up, most likely from the snow plows. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video was interesting or whatever, I got a couple more. Check those out, help support the channel, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.